Hello students, how are you? I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school is situated in Golamasa. Today we have to learn topic more on division. Today our topic is more on division. Today we have to learn different types of division. Okay, and now what is division? Listen carefully everyone. Firstly, in first chapter, in last chapter you have learned what is division. You know that division is equal sharing, equal grouping. Okay, and you have also learned that division is also repeated subtraction. And in this topic we have to learn long division, and long division is another way to divide number. Today our topic is first topic is long division, and long division is another method या another topic of divide the numbers. Okay, and to do long division, arrange the dividend and divisor as given below and write a quotient on top. What you have to do? Long division is another way to divide number, and to do long division, arrange the dividend and divisor as given below and write a quotient on top. Listen carefully how we can arrange the, here will be, that is divisor, here this number is called divisor, and on top that is quotient, that is called quotient, and this number is called dividend, this number is called dividend. Let's take an example, and there is a number 14 divided by 2. So we have to divide 14 from 2, that is 2 sevens are 14, that is 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. So we can say that 7 is the quotient, and 14 is the dividend. 14 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. And there are no remainder. And in this case, there are no remainder. Okay. Firstly, we have to learn how we can find quotient and remainder. How we can find quotient only. Firstly, there is an example 42 divided by 6. We can solve it from two methods. First method, we can learn the table. We can read the table of 6 and how many times it comes 42. Firstly, we have to read the table. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 28, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, and 6 5 is 30. And 6 6 is 36. Okay, and now 6 7 is 42. 6 7 is 42. We can see here that in this column 6 7s are 42, and when we divide 42 by 6, it will come 7. Okay, when we divide 42 from 6, it will be 7. Okay, and now we have to listen, we have to find. And you can see here also from this method you can find it. 42 divided by 6. We have to read the table, that is 6 7 42. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 4 minus 4 is 0. That is quotient and we call it Q. So the quotient is 7. Okay, that is the answer. And now the next topic is Our next topic is remainder and division. Listen it. What is it? Remainder is division. Let's take an example. We have to divide 15 divided by 2. Okay, and now we can learn it from. We have to solve 15 divided by 2. 2 sevens are 40. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. That is 1. And that is, you know that is dividend. What is that? That is dividend, and that is remainder in this case. And 1 is remainder in this case, and 7 is the quotient. And 7 is the quotient, and 2 is the divisor. 2 is the divisor. And if you want to write quotient and remainder, quotient will be 7 and remainder will be 1. And one thing carefully, listen carefully, how we can check it. So listen carefully how we can check it. Check is here. How we can check it? That is q multiply d plus r is equal to q. What is q? 7 and d is divisor 2 and remainder is 1. 7 2 is 14 plus 1, that is 15. And what is 15? 15 is the dividend. Okay, 15 is the dividend. And now how we can solve the question in long form? Listen here, listen carefully everyone. How we can solve the question? 37 divided by 5. There is an example, 37 divided by 5. Listen here, how we can solve it. Firstly, we have to arrange this in such type, and that is 37. And how many times it will be divided? That is comes up to 37. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. That is 35. 7 minus 5, that is 2, and 3 minus 3, that is 0. In this case, 7 is the quotient. In this case, 7 is the quotient and 37 is the dividend. 37 is the dividend and 2 is the remainder. And 2 is the remainder and 5 is the divisor. And now how we can check it? Listen. Check is equal to quotient multiplied divisor plus remainder. That is, what is quotient? Quotient is 7 and what is divisor? Divisor is 5 plus remainder is 2. 7 5s are 45 plus 2, that is 37. And what is 37? 37 is the dividend. 37 is the dividend. Okay. And now the next example here is division of 2 and 3 digit number. How we can divide long division and how we can check it. Okay. Listen carefully. There is an example, 845 divided by 4. 845 divided by 4. 845 divided by 4. Listen. Firstly, 845 divided by 4. Listen here. Firstly, we have to arrange it. That is 845 divided by 4. Firstly, we have to read the table up to 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That will be 2 and here will be 8. 8 minus 8, that will become 0 and next digit is 4. We have to write here 4. Now 4 1s are 4, that is 0, and now we have to write here 5. And now 4 1s are 4 and that is 5 minus 4, that is 1. So 1 is that is, you can say here, that is quotient, and this number is dividend in this case. This number is dividend in this case and this number is remainder. And this number is remainder in this case. And the next one is that is divisor. And now we have to check it. How we can check it? Listen carefully. In check, we have to multiply quotient multiply divisor plus remainder, and that should be equal to dividend. And what is quotient? Quotient is 211. And what is divisor? Divisor is 4 and what is remainder is 1. 4 1s are 4, and 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 844 plus 1, that is 845. And what is 845? That is dividend. Okay, so we have to prove it, and now we have to meet in next video with next topic. Thank you.